Here at 4, a former physician's assistant at an area VA hospital will spend more than 15 years in prison for committing sex crimes. Mark Wisner was sentenced just today. He was convicted of criminal sodomy and sexual battery charges for what happened while he was an employee here at the Leavenworth VA. Caroline Sweeney is live now with more details on that sentencing and the reaction to in that courtroom today. Caroline.
Well, Caroline, it was a fairly emotional day in court. You know, some of his victims gave statements before Wisner was sentenced. However, none of his family showed up in support. Now, the 66-year-old did not testify during his trial over the summer, and he had nothing to say today. Walking in wearing an orange jumpsuit, Wisner looked gaunt. Months after a jury found him guilty, Wisner learned his fate, 187 months behind bars. He was charged with aggravated sexual battery, criminal sodomy, and sexual battery. The county attorney's office says this case shows there can be justice for victims of sexual assault and abuse.
And these men showed that you persevere and you can do it. So the message would be, if you can get yourself into law enforcement, if you can talk to someone about these things, do it.
Now, Mark Wisner's attorney asked the court to take mercy on his client. He said that his age, remember he's 66 years old, his age should be considered in the sentencing. However, the judge in this case disagreed and leveled the maximum sentences for all charges. Live in Leavenworth, Caroline Sweeney, KCTV5 News.
All right, thank you, Caroline. We have new details.